Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm gonna show you the new effect on CapCut. And so I'm going to show you how you can apply the colorful zoom effect that you can try on your next edit. So here you just need to import your video to CapCut and head to the effects menu at the bottom. Click on the video effects. Then you can find the colorful zoom effect under the opening and closing tab. So you can just scroll down. Then this is the colorful zoom. But please be noted that this is the pro feature. So if you want to use this, you need to subscribe to the CapCut Pro or buy the CapCut Pro. Okay, so just select the effect and then click on the check icon, and here you can just adjust on how long or the length of the effect to apply to your clips. And you can also adjust the size, color, intensity, speed, and also atmosphere. And when you just check icon, this is what the colorful zoom effect looks like on your clips later. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and also click on the thanks button. Bye.